All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely, we are back. We are back. We are back. Good evening. Um, the 6 p.m. session, the 6 p.m. trading room, just the market wrap up. All right, the market wrap up. Um, yeah. So we're just gonna do a market wrap up, just to wrap up for the week. The setups are moving. Things are moving. I hope you guys have been watching this, right? I think let's get right into it, guys. Not gonna waste time. Let's get right into it. We are wrapping up. We have been monitoring just a few setups. We've been monitoring just a few setups. You are wrapping up. Good evening. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. This is where we are. We're gonna get right into it. NZD JPY, Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY. All right. Look what the market is doing. Look what the market is doing. NZD JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD. All right. Things are moving. I did not get in on USD JPY. I'll see it next week. All right. I'll see it next week. But I hope you guys got in, Hope you guys got in. So this is where we are. All right. So let's do a market wrap up. All right. The yen pairs, in fact, everything is still the same. Everything remains the same. All right. Everything remains the same. All the JPY pairs, right? AUD JPY, there's a continuation. So definitely this one for next week. There's a continuation here. All right. So there's something for next week on AUD JPY, a continuation towards the upside. Euro JPY. You look at what Euro JPY is doing. Right, look at what Euro JPY is doing. So let me do this. Look at what Euro JPY is doing. Continuation to the upside. All right, so Euro JPY remains the same. All right, it has broken out. So we're anticipating a continuation. All right, so AUD JPY, Euro JPY, the same, remains the same. GBP USD, nothing has changed. So we'll look at this one next week. All right. Gold and silver, like I said, the setup is done. So either we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down. Either it's gonna go up, we're gonna go down. We're seeing a bit of a push towards the upside, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll have a look at these ones next week. Right? There's nothing much to do. There's nothing much to do at this point. So we'll have a look at them next week. So the commodities remains the same, or rather, we'll see next week. The energies market, the US oil, UK oil, right? It is pushing up. UK oil is pushing up. US oil is pushing up. So with the US oil, 83 and 93, right? $83 per barrel. If it breaks this, $93 per barrel. You see how it is. So this is where we are with the oil market. So US oil as well as UK oil. So UK oil is going up 90. Once it breaks 90, we'll see where it will go. But for now, the target on 90. All right. So definitely some for next week. Some for next week. Some for next week. All right. The indices. Look at what's happening. Look at what Nasdaq is doing. Pinpoint analysis. Although I'm still anticipating a break. Right? Pinpoint analysis. Guys, just hold on for a minute. Hold on for a minute. I'm gonna be back just now. Hold on. I'm gonna be back just now. All right. All right. There we go. We are back. We are back. All right. So yeah. So as I was saying, Nasdaq came back down to this low. I'm still expecting this to break a little bit. I'm still expecting this to break a little bit. All right. So we'll see what's going to happen next week. We'll see what's going to happen next week. Right. I can see also US 30. US 30 also give us an aggressive bounce here. So we'll see. But the direction is still bullish. Direction is still bullish. All right. Still looking for this. Still looking for this. All right. Let's see. Swiss JPY. You are already on a buy on Swiss JPY. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay. The reason I didn't choose Swiss JPY is because of this. Right? It's just consolidating here. So that's the reason why I did not look at Swiss JPY. The other ones are in a proper trend, creating a bullish structure. This one, the reason I never looked at it is because of it's consolidating. So, but let's see. Let me have a look. Yeah, Swiss JPY for me, it's not the one. It's really not the one. It's just consolidating here. In terms of the setup, it's not the best one. It's not the best one. But let's look. Let's see. So if I was to look for, because it has been bullish, all right. So this could be a continuation, even though it's ranging, consolidating, could be setting up for a continuation. So I would still stick to my buys, even on Swiss yen. I would still stick to my buys, and so we just need a new high. We just need a higher high here. I can see what's happening here. So all we need is a higher high. All we need is a higher high. But yeah, all we need is a higher high. So where it is right now, if it can just break above this structure, yeah, give us a higher high, then it could be a little bit better. Maybe a new high there. Yeah, it just needs a higher high. So keep an eye on it. Let's see what's gonna happen, but it's still bullish though. So just continue keeping an eye on it. All right. Yeah, I still see it pushing towards the upside. Let it break this zone. Let it break this area, this structure, and then any corrections from there. Right. It might just break and fly. right? Just like what CAD JPY is doing, but any corrections from there, a continuation up. Continuation up, yeah. So that is Swiss yen. Swiss yen. All right. So the dollar, like your Euro USD, right? Still a continuation towards the downside, is giving us a retracement. So next week, definitely still looking for this next week, right? It might still push up to this high before it goes down. AUD USD also gonna be looking for that. So it's it's still the same, guys. It's still the same. Nothing has changed. It is still the same. All right. Nothing has changed. Still the same. So this is how things have been so far. This is how things have been so far. All right. Great stuff. Yeah. So we are here. We are here. All right. So we are here. All right. You guys have seen what's been happening. The setups are there. All right. Opportunities are there. So yeah, let's take advantage. Let us take advantage. All right. So remember, these setups, like I said, they can still take us into next week. They can still take us into next week. All right. So yeah. So I think we set. So Ashley's going to be with you guys next week. All right. And then I'll see you guys the last week. It's been a good week. Hope you guys took advantage. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned. I think I've covered everything. Unless there's something that I forgot, guys. I think I've covered everything, yeah? A quick market wrap-up. Quick market wrap-up. A quick market wrap-up. All right, great stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a good weekend, right? Let's have a good evening. Let's have a good weekend. This is what's been happening. Go back, rewatch this week's trading rooms, right? Just to get more and more and more out of it. But yeah, this is how things have been looking or are looking. It's been a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you. I will enjoy my weekend. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll meet you guys again next week. Cheers, guys. Have a good one.